The benchmark out there had been set, and the bar was very, very high, and from unexpected quarters. Pat Bevan, the Kiwi for BMC, had set a marker that Primož Roglič had to match if he was going to take the day. His main focus, though, Matt, was about beating those around him, and particularly Julian Alaphilippe.
It was all about beating Alaphilippe, taking that jersey and putting as much time as he could between him and Alaphilippe and the rest of the climbers. He certainly did that, but Alaphilippe fought back. I mean, look at the speed again. He took into that corner, probably the quickest rider on the circuit, definitely the quickest rider around that bend, but no, put a lot of time into the specialist climbers, but not as much time perhaps as he would like. It was a real battling display by the rider in the yellow jersey. Took the first two stages, clearly in superb form at the moment. Said he was going to take this race day by day. I think after that performance, Julian Alaphilippe is in this race to the very end. Expect to see fireworks over the next couple of days.
Indeed, we had a warning that he was on a very good run at the split. Alaphilippe, as you can see, coming through 14th quickest, giving away 40 seconds at that point. Yes, we know he's finished 48 down today. However, he had an 8-second advantage, so essentially he is in a much stronger position than many, including ourselves, thought he would be by the end. In fact, here is his finishing deficit for you right now. Just coming on your screens, 42 seconds, knock 8 seconds off that, and then all of a sudden you realise that with a breakaway day tomorrow, and he's feisty on a mixed course, and then a climbing day to finish, it's not all over. Great performances out there as well. Further down the order, Conrad finishing and is still in with a chance. Likewise is Manny Bookman. They're about a minute and 40 down, as we'll get confirmation in a short while. Mikkel Lander, I think, can possibly be, well, I don't know. How do you think he'll feel about his run today?
I think he'll be a little bit disappointed. It wasn't an awful ride, but we didn't certainly expect fireworks at all from Mikkel Lander. Just finishing inside the top 30, but conceding about a minute and 15 seconds to Primož Roglič, which is going to make it very, very difficult. Although we know that Mikkel Lander is arguably a superior climber in the high mountains, but we shall wait and see.
Romain Bardet, as you can see, shipping even more time today, and a discipline that really does find him out, I'm afraid.
Almost 2 minutes to Roglič there.
Exactly. This is how it stands. That's your stage, but look at that finish by Alaphilippe, 42 seconds down. He's very much still in this race, because as it spins out to the overall classification in a few moments' time, I hope we can see that graphic for you. Is this